Good morning, children. Today also we shall continue with answer the following questions. So in my previous class I have given you 3 questions. 1, 2, 3. Those questions were from your book. These are extra questions. You see on the board question 4 and 5 I have given. I shall write down the answers. Okay. These are some extra questions you have to learn. What type of clothes do we wear in summer and why? What type of clothes? So the question is, what type of clothes do you wear in summer and why? Do we wear in summer and why? So you write down, in summer we wear, you start with we. What type of clothes do we wear in summer and why? We wear cotton clothes. We wear cotton clothes. We wear cotton clothes in summer. We wear cotton clothes in summer because these clothes make us feel cool and comfortable, okay? Because these clothes make us cool and comfortable. I am writing here, okay? Cool and comfortable. Please see the answer. What type of clothes do we wear in summer and why? So you write down the answer. We wear cotton clothes in summer because these clothes make us cool, make us feel cool and comfortable. Okay, make us feel. I have missed out here. Make us feel cool and comfortable. Okay. Next, number 5. What type of clothes do you wear in winter and why? Okay, so you write down the answer. We wear woolen clothes. We wear woolen clothes in winter. We wear woolen clothes in winter because these clothes keep us warm and safe from cold. These clothes keep us warm and safe from cold. Okay, please see these 2 questions. More 2 I will give. Okay, see question number 4. What type of clothes do you wear in summer and why? So the answer is, we wear cotton clothes in summer because these clothes make us feel cool and comfortable. Okay, what type of clothes do you wear in winter and why? Do we wear in winter and why? We wear woolen clothes in winter because these clothes keep us warm and safe from cold. Okay. So we'll now question number 6 and 7 I shall give you. Okay. Okay, children, you see question number 6. You please see, what do we wear in rainy season and why? Okay, the question is, what do we wear in rainy season and why? So the answer is, we wear raincoat in rainy season. What do you wear in rainy season? We wear raincoat in rainy season. In rainy season because raincoat prevents us, means stops us. Prevents us from getting wet. Okay. Alright. Please see the answer once again. What do you wear in rainy season and why? We wear raincoat in rainy season because raincoat prevents us from getting wet. Okay. What is uniform? People who have similar work, please write write the answer. People who have similar work, wear similar clothes, wear similar clothes, called uniform. Okay, what is uniform? People who have similar work wear similar clothes, called uniform. So in this chapter, lesson 8, I gave you altogether 7 question answers. Okay, so you please write down all the 7 question answers together in your EVS copy. Okay, and get it corrected. Okay, just go through the lesson because we have completed this lesson 8, clothes. You please go through, and you can also add this, or you can just learn this, that name some people who wear uniforms. Okay, name some people who wear uniforms. Just keep in mind, like doctor, nurse, postman, chef. Okay, they all wear similar uniforms. Even school students also, they wear similar uniform. Okay, just keep in mind, just go through the lesson 8, clothes. Thank you.